Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, please hit the likes, comment down there at the bottom, and please subscribe. Let me know you guys want to see more of this stuff. Today we're going to be dealing with my Ninebot by Segway, my ES2 model, specifically the parking lights and brake lights. Right now, currently on this unit, it's not working whether I have the light on or if I hit the brakes, and nothing works on it. Now, I had an issue similar to this, and I know it's not the problem because it wouldn't be both sides at the same time. So the first time it ever happened to me, I ended up having to replace the LED strip. Now, you can get them both from Segway. They sell them in pairs for about $18 US. Comes out of the warehouse in New Jersey, so it's pretty fast shipping. But today, I'm just going to show you how to deal with this. In the next video, I'm going to go through Diagnostic. So we're going to start off with figuring out, in the next video, of course, where my issue is. It could be in the GPS and the Bluetooth connection area right here at the top. It could be down here at the control module. It could be in here where it connects into the control module. It could be here where it bends. That's a big problem. Where it bends, there's like a little sharp edge that the wire can get caught on, but the bottom light still works, so I kind of have to eliminate that. So it works. You got a single wire, and it goes all the way through. Here's the battery. Control module goes to another single wire, and from that single wire, it works its way into about here. Then it splits into two, and that's where your other connections are. So you got a single connection here, single connection to dual connection, and then individual plugs for each side. Now, when I had this issue, like I said, I had the one side go out. I ordered the new light, and I figured I'd investigate it, take it apart, and see how it see why it didn't want to work. So I took it apart. See if I can get it to pop out now. Here we go. It's rough one-handed, so you see it's just got the little cover. You can see the LED strip inside. Now I'm gonna rip it apart. I'm gonna pull the LED strip out. You can see it's clipped in to these little tabs area here. So I'm going to take the LED strip out so I can show you where my issue was with this light initially. Alright, I got it all stripped down. Now, this light went out on me maybe 3 weeks, maybe a month into ownership. So I knew it couldn't be anything major. So when I take it apart, look what I find. A broken wire. Now, I could have just made the repair and saved myself a couple dollars, but I didn't notice until after I ordered it and I put the new one on. So for now, I'm just going to show you how to remove this in case you're having lighting issues, so you can inspect those on your own. Now, there's a certain way. I mean, when I installed this, when I messed up and I peeled the rubber all the way back because there's two screws. And you see it won't stick anymore. So there is a way. Here's one that's not used. You see the two screw holes. You just feel for where the divot is, and you peel back on that area. So let me see if I can get this device set up so I can use both my hands to show you guys how exactly I plan on doing that. All right, hopefully this holds up. Now, like I was saying, there's little divots where you'll feel the screw go in. So what you'll take is a flathead or something, and you just peel back a little bit. You can see it just goes right in there. You just peel back a little bit on that area, and you'll expose the hole. Instead of just peeling back the whole strip. So that's just the safest methods that I found. But for now, I'm going to show you guys how to remove this. Even though this is already damaged and everything, I'm just going to play with it like that. I'm gonna remove this because you gotta take this little bracket off, because the connection's right here, like about right here where this rubber piece is. There's a screw in there. There's a screw here in the bottom. Screw right here, and the two in the top. So let me get to that real quick. Let's see. All right. All right, that top one, that bottom one's loose. Flip it back over. And it is a different size. I don't know what size Allen this is, but this is the one for the bottom. And it's a little bit smaller for the top ones. As you can see, the screw came out and it's just hanging there right now. The connection is sitting right behind this one. So let me dig out this rubber real quick. You can see there are two different sizes, so you want the bigger one. Let me see if I can get a better angle of that screw for you guys. See, there's the screw. Now you don't have to remove all this or anything. It's just, you're just loosening it up so you can access the plug itself. And the plug is like right here, but I just can't get it. And there it is. And that was it. So if you're having issues with just one side of the light, that's pretty much the way in and out. And remember, don't do like I did and peel back the whole rubber. Just feel for where the screw goes and dig it out. You can just put the screw in like that. You see the holes right here. But this is the new one. I don't need it. My issue is right now is both lights are not working. So I've got a break in that line somewhere. My next video, I'm going to strip it all down in parts. Like I said, I suspect it's in this area here where it folds, where the wire tucks in right here, right in here. There could be a break in there or a little further up, but this is most likely because if you feel in there, it's pretty sharp where the wire goes in. I don't see anything, now that I'm looking at it, I don't see any fraying or any rips in there, so it could be the module itself is faulty. It's not the brake switch because I can turn the light on. See, the light's on, but this there's no light even when I hit the brake. I go into the app and activate the lights completely and nothing. Like I said, the bottom lights are working, as you can see. So it's not a brake in this one spot that I thought. And it's not a brake around here. So it might be the module, which I can take apart and check to see solders, or up here. So that'll be the next video when I break it all down and I check my little points. So stay tuned for that one. Right now, I was just showing you guys how to remove and install a new light, if that's what is your issue. All right, now I'm going to put this back together and do a couple things before I get to the diagnosing one. So far it looks like it's, I'm gonna have to, like I said, in the next video you'll see exactly what I'm gonna go through. But it's just weird. Like I said, a couple weeks after owning this side went out, and now it's been like 2 years, neither side wants to work. But you know, I have children that ride this, and you never know, they probably got it really wet, or they dropped it somehow, or maybe these control modules are notorious for failing. So it could just be a bad solder in there. I might need to remove it and solder it, and that's a whole process. I got to remove the whole battery, but we'll see when I get it stripped down. So for now, stay tuned for that, and I appreciate you guys coming by. Check out one of these other videos and hit that subscribe, please, and thank you, and be nice to each other.